However, Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei has refused assistance from the US.
The Americans have told us a couple of times that they're ready to help Iranians in terms of medicines to prevent the coronavirus outbreak. They've told us that if Iran requests it, they will provide medical help. It's a strange statement by the American officials. Why are they saying this? At this moment, Americans are faced with a shortage of medicines. A mayor in one U.S. city and the head of a health department in another state are clearly confessing that they're faced with a horrible shortage of medical supplies. If you have such a situation and capacities, it's better to allocate them for your own people.
For more on Iran, let's hear from Reza Hazmi in Tehran.
Most cases these days are reported here in the capital, Tehran. And the authorities say that the number of infections, the rate of the infections in 13 provinces are on a declining trend. The authorities here are refusing to put total lockdown on major cities. However, they have imposed unprecedented restrictions. For example, holy shrines have been closed, thousands of prisoners have been released, and also many cities are banning the entry of visitors. The latest is all commercial centers in Tehran, except those providing food and medicine, have been ordered closed for 2 weeks. These days coincide with Persian New Year holidays. Authorities have reported an approximately 50% reduction in the number of holiday travelers. However, they say this is not enough and people should cooperate more and should observe social distancing if they want this outbreak to be over sooner. This outbreak has exacerbated the situation. As we know, many neighboring countries have closed or restricted their borders to Iran. Most foreign airlines are not traveling to Iran these days. And also small and local businesses are particularly hit hard by these sanctions. The United States argues that its sanctions are not preventing aid to the country. Washington has even offered to send humanitarian aid to Iran. However, Iran is rejecting this. The Supreme Leader was just on a televised speech, and he said that the Americans are facing problems and shortages to tackle the disease in their own country. And he also said that Americans are facing accusations that they created this virus, so they cannot be trusted on this issue.